Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello, Facebook friends. Looking at the Facebook daily, weekly, and shorter term time frames. So a bullish start to the day quickly erased, and Facebook actually showed weakness before the overall market did, which we will look at on the 5-minute chart. Key support that I'm looking at is the low of today, 127.55, 127.45. If we break those levels, we're looking at 126.80. So we're still in a very tight range. You can see the past 4 days really trading straight across, and we're still looking at this high and low, 126.80. And 120 or 130.73. That's the two levels I'm looking at to see a clear break from this range. And right now the break would favor the bears just due to the overall market condition and the weakness seen today. But I personally would not be making a trade in either direction until I see a clear break, and that is not occurring yet. So the weekly time frame still holding up well for the bulls, pulling back a bit, but still holding the 10-week moving average. Again, we haven't even tested that in months at 126.56. So long-term bulls, nothing to worry about, keeping an eye on the bearish MACD possibility over the next coming week or two. But as of right now, all about the daily and those key levels as we continue to tighten up. The 5-minute time frame, the weakness right out of the gate. So we hit a new low of the day 25 minutes into the day, and then it was just a straight dump on pretty high bearish volume. The normal pattern on volume after the bell is decreasing as things settle down in the first 15-20 minutes. So anytime you see that pattern break right here, increasing bearish volume, that is your signal of weakness. And the bears clearly took control, losing all 5-minute moving average supports. The bounce attempt back tested and rejected from the 200 period and then hit lower lows. There was really no doubt about the bears being in full control today. And we check back in on SPY real quick, and the new low of the day on SPY didn't occur until all the way here at 10:10 a.m. So Facebook, that break occurring sooner at 9:55, 15 minutes before the market followed along. A little bit of a canary in the coal mine situation. So looking at the hourly chart, very clear weakness as well. We lost all hourly moving averages on the first candlestick. Back test rejection. Back test rejection, that's when we rejected from the 200 period 5-minute. So there's really no fake out by any means of the bulls trying to turn this around. So if in a bearish position at any point today, there was no point in time where you were saying, oh, I better get out. Maybe here when the 20 period moving average became support, looked like the bulls could turn it around. That could have been a point for taking profit after such a big drastic drop. But if holding on, still would have gotten some further gains towards the end of the day, little bounce with the market, but not amounting to much in terms of 5-minute and hourly resistance. So again, still tight on the daily. Bulls still looking good there. We had a very clear bearish break on SPY. Check out that SPY video. And comparatively, Facebook holding up. So keeping that with a grain of salt, the bearish action today. And we'll see by the end of this week, likely going to see a much more clear break from this tightening pattern on Facebook. Thank you for all the likes and the shares. Thanks for tuning in. Have a fantastic evening.